Hi, this is a demonstrational video of soldering a connector. This is a display connector of a Samsung Galaxy S3. The mainboard is not functional, but I have done this video as a demo. As you can see, I have used a little bit of flux on the connector, and now with the hot air I'm using a quick 861DW 350 degrees on 40-50 wind speed. Some connections are bridged, but I will remove the bridges next. Just as usual, cleaning with isopropyl alcohol. I will use fresh flux and fresh solder. This helps tinning the board. I am going to reuse the old connector in this case. As I mentioned, this video is just for demonstrational purposes. And as you can see in the left side, in the leftmost side, the last pin is a little bit bent. Now using hot air again. First I just fix it and then I continue with the reflow process. Now with the soldering iron FM2032, I will reflow each pin. Normally at this type of operation I use a new connector. As I mentioned, this is just for demonstration purposes. Again, I will add fresh flux. And I will continue by reflowing again the board with hot air. Here for the solder bridge, I will use a scalpel to remove the bridge.